Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherlock. This is my very first vlog video. Today's topic is my first time trying to take a cold bath. I didn't expect any people, find this video, but if you accidentally find this video, I'm sorry about my half-naked body and this strange English accent. Maybe one thing you can learn from this video is other people's experience. So before I take this cold bath, actually I already tried a month of cold shower with same degree. I think the water's degree is around 18. I will also put a timer here and I see if I can stay like for 2 minutes. Without further ado, I will start here first before I truly... Wow! Yes, so I put my timer here. Okay, wow, it's freezing. I already feel my feet kind of freezing. Okay, ready, go. Woo! Oh, whoa, yes. Oh. I'm trying to calm down, but my body is already it's done. Oh, oh, So as I said before I step into this cold water, I already tried a month of cold shower with the same temperature, but this is totally different. The experience, wow. Oh, I'm gonna try to dive a little bit deeper. Okay, it's almost 1 minute. Okay, and let me show timer. So it's 1 minute now. I put it here. Okay, so you can see it more carefully here. It's already 1 minute. That's an achievement for me. Wow. The reason why I am trying this is because because what? I already forgot what I want to say. But actually it's not that untolerable as I imagined. It's even easier than stay in cold shower because in the cold shower you just want to escape anytime because your body can still move, but right now you feel like you're losing your body, so I think it's okay to stay. Yeah, it's already more than 2 minutes. Okay, so right now I reset my goal as 4 minutes. Wow, it's just 18 degrees, so not that cold, I guess, but I think it's a good starting point. Actually, I didn't prepare for this video, but after watching so many YouTuber stories, just like for example, like Mr. Big say that don't ever expect your first video have views. Maybe you need to wait until you like the first like 100 videos. So I say why not just do it, right? I even someday I'm famous, I think people will now care about this low quality video and my strange accent. It's 3.5. Wow, I'm gonna dive deeper. Yeah. different. I just can't help screaming. Actually, this is not a good time for for cold baths because it's so hard to put your whole body into the cold water. I don't think that's enough. Only just the parts under your breast into the water. But I'm trying to go deeper. What's the time now? Oh, it's 4:30. I think I should go, and it's totally fine. Actually, I can stay longer, but maybe that's not good for the health. So I'll just end here. Okay, let's go. Ooh. So with 5 minutes in total. Actually, I didn't expect that I can achieve 5 minutes in this cold water, but yeah, I did it. So maybe because I was keep talking that I can like distract a little bit of the the scare there. So yeah, I made it. If in case accidentally you find this video, thank you for watching until here. I hope this can be a starting point of a series my coming video. I hope so. I hope see you later. Bye bye.